When you release that tension, you're going to see a huge improvement in performance in your horse. You get improvement in performance afterwards. You get results in the responses of the horse to your touch as you're doing the method. His first survival response is to flee from discomfort or danger or whatever. His second is to brace against it. The hard part is the staying. You have to stay and stay and stay until you get a response. And we're doing that. He's just ready to lick and chew. There we go. Now I'm going to continue on. Get the feel for this and you learn how to stay under the horse's bracing response. Your horse is really going to start to enjoy this work. You're going to be able to release tension in areas of his body that he's been holding for a long time. Your horse is going to really enjoy this. You're going to enjoy this, and I encourage you to practice it as much as possible.